Let me show you how we solve a problem deal, start to finish. This is exactly how the process works. Our client is a homeowner with too much equity to qualify for government debt relief, consumer proposal, but $80,000 in debt, 2 writs registered against the property, and a mix of accounts with their bank. Even though the client was about to lose the home to the creditors, the fees were scaring the client, who was not going to sign the commitment. Here's a strategic move. The client already had R3 accounts with their bank, so they let their current R1 accounts fall behind too. That way we could settle everything with that lender in a single negotiation. The debt broke down to about $32,000 in writs and about $48,000 with the bank, about $80,000 in total. The home was worth about $720,000 with an existing $440,000 first, sitting at about 61% loan to value. The broker was trying to arrange a second mortgage to fund the settlements and save the client's home. First, we settled the 2 writs in advance for 87% all in and sent the settlement letters to the closing lawyer to be paid directly from mortgage proceeds. When the second mortgage funded, the writs were paid from proceeds, and the remainder was held in trust under a signed undertaking, so the closing was never delayed. 60 days later, we settled the bank's R1 and R3 accounts for 82% all in, paid from funds we held in trust. The second mortgage came to just under $78,000. It covered $67,000 in settlements, plus the broker, lender, and legal costs, landing the combined loan to value around 72%. Here's the result. $80,000 of debt was cleared for $67,200, a savings of $12,800. That savings more than covered the entire cost of borrowing on that mortgage, broker, lender, and legal fees. For the client, the deal paid for itself. And the credit? The client started around $545. Within 12 months, with satisfied accounts settled, the new mortgage paid on time, their score recovered to roughly 713. Start to finish, analysis week 1, funding and the writs were settled by week 3, the bank account settled 60 days later, and a fully recovered credit score within the year. That's how we solve problem deals, and we've been doing it since 2011. Send us the credit report and mortgage application, and we'll map out the same analysis for the client you're currently working with today. Spingos Law.